Hey y'all, welcome to day one of the 30-day Organize Your Ish Challenge. I'm so glad you're here, and I want you to know something right now from the start. This isn't just another organizing challenge. This is about completely transforming your life so that you can achieve something that might feel impossible right now, and that's home ownership. Over the next 30 days, we're going to work together to clear out the chaos, get your finances in order, start to strengthen your mindset and prepare your body and spirit for one of the biggest investments of your life. And it all starts today. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. This challenge is built on three essential pillars. And here's the truth: you can't skip any of them, they all work together. And when one is weak, the other is going to suffer as well. Pillar number one is going to be financial clarity. We all know you can't buy a home if your money is a mess. But here's what most people don't realize: financial chaos usually starts with physical chaos. When your space is cluttered, your bills are scattered, and you really don't know where anything is, how can you possibly know where your money is going? Over the first week, we're going to organize your financial life from the ground up. We're going to talk about finding every document, tracking every dollar, and creating systems that actually work. No more late fees because you lost a bill. No more overdraft charges because you forgot about an automatic payment. Listen, I've been there, done that, and that's why I'm here to help. Pillar number two is mental strength. Buying a home is one of the most stressful things that you'll ever do. The applications, the rejections, the waiting, the uncertainty, it can break you if you're not mentally prepared. And that's why we're going to work on your mindset throughout this challenge as well. We're going to identify some of the mental clutter, the limiting beliefs, the fears, the I'm not good enough stories, and we're going to clear them out just like we're clearing out your physical space. Pillar number three is going to be the physical organization. This is where everything comes together. Your physical environment is a direct reflection of your internal state. So when your home is chaotic, guess what? Your mind is chaotic. When you can't find important documents, you miss opportunities. When you're surrounded by clutter, you feel stuck. We're going to transform your space into a launching pad for your dreams. So every area we organize, every item we declutter, every system we create, it's all designed to move you closer to home ownership. Now, I want you to do something with me right now. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. I'm serious. Close them. Picture yourself walking up to the front door of your own home, not an apartment where you're paying someone else's mortgage, not a rental where you can't paint the walls, your home. You reach into your pocket, you pull out your keys, you unlock your door, you step inside. How does that feel? What does that space look like? Can you see your furniture there? Your family gathered in the living room? Maybe you even see yourself cooking in the kitchen or relaxing in the backyard. Hold on to that feeling. That vision is your North Star for the next 30 days. Now open your eyes. I want you to grab that notebook and write down your home ownership intention, not a vague wish, a specific intention. Here are some examples. I intend to purchase my first home within the next 18 months with a down payment of $15,000. I intend to improve my credit score to 680 so I can qualify for better mortgage rates. I intend to save $500 per month toward my down payment by reducing unnecessary expenses. Now it's your turn. Write it down right now, make it specific, make it real. This is your commitment to yourself. Let me tell you something that changed my perspective on clutter forever. Every item that you keep is a decision that you have to make over and over again. That pile of mail on your counter, every time you walk past it, your brain has to process it. I should deal with that. I need to open those. What if there's something important? That's mental energy being drained every single day. Those clothes that you never wear taking up your closet space. Every morning when you're getting dressed, you have to sort through them, move them aside, make decisions. More mental energy wasted. Here's how clutter specifically blocks your home ownership goals. Financial clutter. When you can't find your financial documents, you miss tax deductions, you pay late fees, you don't know if you're being overcharged, you can't track your progress toward your savings goals. Then, when it comes to mental clutter, when your mind is overwhelmed with undone tasks and disorganization, you can't even focus on the important work of improving your financial situation. You're in survival mode, not growth mode. And when that physical clutter, when your home is chaotic, you waste money buying duplicates of things that you already own because you can't find it. You waste time searching for things instead of using that time to increase your income or learn about the home buying process. But here is the good news: clearing out that clutter creates momentum. Every drawer you organize, every paper that you file, every decision that you make to let something go, it all builds your decision making muscle. And buying a home requires some strong decision making skills. All right, let's get you moving. Here's what you're going to do on today. Action step number one is writing down your home ownership intention in a place where you'll see it every single day. Put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, or set it on your phone wallpaper. Action step number two is choose one small area, just one, and completely clear it. Maybe it's your nightstand, your car's front seat, or one kitchen drawer. Just one space that you can make completely clean and organized in 15 minutes or less. This is proof that change is possible. Action step number three is take a before photo of the area in your home where you handle finances, whether that's a desk, a kitchen, a table, or a corner of your bedroom. You're going to look back on this photo in 30 days and be amazed. Action step number four, set up three folders of boxes labeled important documents, bills to pay, and to file. And we're going to use these all week starting on tomorrow. Listen, I know this might feel overwhelming. You might be looking around your space right now and thinking, there's no way I can do this, but you're not doing it all today. You're just doing day one. Tomorrow, we're going to tackle day two together and then day three, one day at a time, one step at a time. We're going to get you to that home that you've already taken the biggest step by showing up today. And I'm so proud of you. Listen, that's it for day one of the Organize Your Ish Challenge. Remember, progress over perfection. Small steps done consistently create real change. And if you haven't already joined our Facebook community, Dream It, Affirm It, Own It, where we're going to be walking this journey together and keeping each other accountable. I'll link it down below for you. Listen, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss a single day. And I'll see you on tomorrow. Same focus, same faith, same commitment. Bye now.